We're painting some wagon wheels today, something a little bit different. So we've got the 208 tip with the Groco clean shot, and we're spraying these wagon wheels. Now they've already been sandblasted, they're very old. Going to spray a couple of coats of the Taubman's all-weather over them. I've got the Wagner 3.21, so I've got the all-weather in a gloss, and the colour is called Ironstone. We're just going to go around and do I did think about doing an epoxy, a single pack epoxy, and probably a 2-pack would be even so much nicer, but decided not to.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter.